Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got another parcel here to undo, and I've already done it because I thought it was from China or somewhere, because I buy a lot on eBay and they usually be in these bags. But then it wasn't, so that's okay. Maybe the ladies reused it, I don't know, but it's all good, all good. This is from Carole and Leslie Allman, and they live in Kent in the United Kingdom. And oh, wow, I've got little bits and pieces in here in parcels. I took this apart, I'm sorry, because I needed to know where it was from, because I didn't know, and I got a bit carried away, didn't I? Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Carolyn, this is lovely. Thank you so much. I just want to have a quick read of your little note here. I've been a subby for 3 or more years. What's this say? LOL, 101 years. Oh, okay. You won my giveaway a couple of years back. Yeah? A payment to Jeremy's PayPal. Oh, did I? Yes. Oh, well. Thank you. I think I remember you now, darling. That's nice of me now to think about. Oh, yes, you're Polly-Ann. Yes, you're Polly-Ann 99. I thought I recognised the name. Oh, thank you very much. Yes, I run one of your giveaways. She has a little, she has health problems. She has a good husband too, and she'd be lost without him, she said. Warmest wishes from Carole. Carole. C-A-R-O-L. Okay, there's an E on the end of it. Her name, C-A-R-O-L-E. I don't know, maybe that's spelled a little bit different than what I'm used to. She likes to make things using paper, and has her style, and she loves cards, dangle, a fairy house, seen on channel and more. Wants to make journal, gypsy, book, banners. Will you be able to do all them, Carole? Just get onto that. That's right. And this is your tags. I've got 2. Oh boy. I have lots of things here today, don't I? Look at this. What have we got in here? There's a little book in here. I'll just get this out very carefully now. Oh, look, there's a little bird on it. Wow. This is cool. Please put me in my nest in front of eggs. Oh, I see. When you put that on there, you put this in here, and she goes there on top of her nest. Look, in front of her eggs. There you go. See? Look at that. Isn't that neat? Oh, I love things like this, as you probably would know. Neat eggs. They're cool. Yeah. Wow. This is really nice. You've taken apart a really nice napkin onto here and a bit of music paper, and then you've got your name on that. And this is made with paper. You've recycled all this from old paper. Gee, I get worried about making things with paper. There's nothing written on them that there shouldn't be. I'm a bit lazy. I don't like to sit down and read it, and that's not good. Oh, look at this. Look, it's got a little bird book. Oh, I do love birds. Oh, look at that. My kids used to go crook on me because I talked to the pigeons out in the wire at the front of the house. Maybe they do know what we're saying. Look at this. She's got the information about each one too. Isn't that neat? Thank you so very much. Oh, look, and I got a little bit in there to play with. Look at that. Oh, wow, thank you. I do love that. Thank you. Oh, that's really lovely. Thank you, Carole. That's really nice. Really beautiful. And then I've got this nice one here too, and it's got elephants on it. I love elephants. And she's done a lot of stitching on this one, and there's a little pocket in the back of there, so you put a little goodie in that. And look, she made little button type things. Isn't that neat? And then I had 2 bangles. Didn't I have another bangles? Maybe I dropped them, did I? They might have fell out of that packet, because I'm sure there was another bangle in there. What have I done now? I'll find it. Nobody panic. I'm sure I see another bangle. Wonder where it went to. It's got to be here somewhere. I'll find it, Caroline. Don't worry about that. I'll find it. And in here I've got some bits and pieces. I love bits and pieces. Oh, yeah, look at these. These are chipboard pieces. Hangers. They're hangers, look. Wow. Okay. I can think of something to do with them. Thank you very much. They're cool. Yes, they really are. Thank you. Look at that. They'll come in handy. Anything to try something different with, I really do like. Anything to try something different with. This is a stamp. Oh, wow. It's a bear. And these nice, hearts. Where do we get at this? We get at this way. I can't help it, you know, I've got to open the parcel. I've got to open it. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. Wow, aren't they pretty? Wow. And then you colour it in yourself. You colour that in. Thank you very much for them. They're cool, aren't they? Fairy. She's a fairy bear. Look at these little things. Wow. I love these. I do love them. Thank you. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh, wow. They've got little hats on, and I love making little doll type things, little ones, like just different interesting things. I do enjoy making them sort of things. They are beautiful. Thank you very, very much, Carolyn. That's very nice of you for sending me these lovely things. I really appreciate that, darling. And I hope that you feel good. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope everybody else is having a good day and doing your best. And we only can do our best, can't we? We only can do our best. So thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.